Hello guys, I welcome you all. In this video, we will learn how we can use revolve boss base command. So first of all, we need some sketch to work with. So we will draw some sketch on front plane. Select front plane, select sketch. Now in order to use revolve boss base command, here you can see you need to have a sketch and some axis along which we can revolve the sketch. So we will select a center line like this. Okay, now we will draw some straight lines like this. Okay, now we will select revolve boss base command. Now it is saying that the sketch is currently open. We will simply select yes. Now you can see here this section says axis of revolution. We will select this axis, or you can even select this axis. Okay, but now we will select this center line. Yes. Now if you click this button, you will see a couple of options. Here is up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, midplane. We will work with blind for now. In coming videos, we will use these other commands as well. Okay, here is the angle by which you want to revolve it. For example, if I say 180 degree, now you can see our sketch has been revolved by 180 degree. You want to put 270. Now you can see it is revolved to 70 degree. Okay, but I will work with 360 degree for now. Okay, here is direction 2. Now we will only work with direction 1, so you don't need to check this box. In coming videos we will use this command as well. Okay, there is a thin feature. Now this thin feature is for open contours, like we received the warning for open contour, but we will see this later. Now this is a selected contour command. It is asking which contour you want to select. We have only one contour, so we don't need to check this box. We will simply hide it. Okay, now select accept. Now here you can see our sketch is converted into a 3D model. Now go to this drop down, click it, and click and right click sketch 1 and select edit sketch. Now we will make some changes in the sketch. Make it normal. Okay, now using trim entities command, trim this. Select. Now select line command. Now draw a sketch like this. Okay, now you can see here I have make it a stepped line. So now I will go to accept. Now you can see there is a step on the sketch. Okay, now again go to sketch and edit. Now let us say I want to make a sphere. We will make we can make spheres using this command. I will go to trim entities and I will just trim it. Accept. Okay, now I will select this circle command and I will put it on the midpoint of the line and I drag it to the end point of the line like this. Okay, select. Using trim command I will trim the half portion, accept. Okay, now accept this. Now you can see we have a sphere, solid sphere. Spheres are actually solid. So now we have a sphere.